Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do a mail merge from Excel to Microsoft Word, perfect for generating documents like student grade reports in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, make sure your Excel file is saved on your computer. In my example, the sheet includes student details like ID, name, math, chemistry, history, and more. Next, open Microsoft Word and type out all the attributes you want to pull from Excel, like ID, name, math, and so on. Now, at the top menu, click Mailings, then click Select Recipients and choose Use an Existing List. A file browser will open, go to where your Excel file is saved, select it, and click Open. A pop-up will appear, just click OK, and make sure Sheet 1 Sign is selected. Click OK again. Now the file is linked. Place your cursor in front of the first attribute, for example, ID, then click Insert Merge Field and choose the matching field like ID. Repeat this step for every attribute you want to merge. Once everything is set, click Finish and Merge, then choose Edit Individual Documents. Make sure All is selected and click OK. Word will instantly generate a new document with all the data from Excel merged perfectly. And that's it. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.